What's up everyone, this is Ryan here. Today I'm going to do a talking video on the Arrma Mojave Grow Buster 3S. Now, it will definitely be used again this year for 2026, my opinion, because I got this thing last year in 2025 exactly, which is, it definitely looks out pretty nice, my opinion, so you can see how expected this thing that you could tell, because what happened was, I noticed the body got some of those you can see, because sometimes when you get water and it gets some rust, you can see, but it's got the push buttons right here, you can see, because although you can see, it definitely looks out pretty nice, my opinion, you can see, because this just has the 200 pound battery, you see, because as you see, it's like it looks like this is my second brush was on, so you see it's better to see, because I like it's got a fan in it, you see. This wheel was broken off, so that's why I wasn't using it, you see, as you see, the reason why it's called 223S because you can run it the 3S, which it's definitely looks pretty nice in my opinion. This thing gets stuck on tall glass like it's nothing. It just gets stuck on tall glass like it's nothing. You believe sometimes, so no expected the same exactly. So, but it will get used again this year for 2026 my opinion. Probably get used in March exactly because that's what I'm thinking my baby because expected the same exactly see because well I know the same that will be used again in March again, which I know since the same that we're going to get used again this year for 2026 my opinion because you may not expected the same exactly because you see how expected the same exactly which is it's definitely a little accepting in my opinion, but there's one thing I was doing something like this much you can see because we expected the same exactly see because we expected the same exactly which it definitely will be used again this year for 2026 my opinion because when you spend it the things like it's gonna get used almost by a bit because you see how I did the things like you see because well as you can see it definitely looks like a pretty nice looking machine my opinion. So this thing will definitely be used again this year for 2026 my opinion. So this definitely will be used all November all the way to like probably that's September exactly because this definitely looks like a pretty nice looking machine my opinion. So this definitely will be used again this year.